Welcome to English Journey TV. Learn, practice, and speak English with confidence. Your English learning podcast starts now.
Good morning. It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Good morning. Yes, it really is. Welcome to sunny Café. It's nice to see you this morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good, thank you. I had a nice sleep and I'm ready to start my day with some coffee. How about you?
I'm feeling great. Thank you for asking. It's always wonderful when the weather is nice and we have happy customers. What would you like to have today?
I think I'd like a coffee today, but I'm not sure which one. Could you tell me what you recommend?
Of course. We have cappuccino, latte, espresso, americano, and some flavored coffees like vanilla and caramel.
I think I will try a cappuccino today. I haven't had one in a while, and I enjoy the frothy milk on top.
Excellent choice. Would you like a small, medium, or large cappuccino?
I think a medium will be perfect. I want enough to enjoy it slowly, but not too much.
Sounds good. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. I prefer my coffee warm, especially when the morning is a little chilly.
Great. Do you want any sugar or milk with your cappuccino?
Yes, I would like a little sugar, just 1 spoon, and some soy milk, please. I sometimes like soy milk because it has a slightly different taste than regular milk.
Perfect. Would you like to try any pastries or snacks with your coffee today? We have fresh croissants, muffins, and cookies.
Oh, the pastries sound delicious. I think I will have a chocolate croissant. I love chocolate, and it's always nice to have something sweet with coffee.
Excellent choice. So that will be 1 medium hot cappuccino with 1 spoon of sugar and soy milk and 1 chocolate croissant. Your total will be $5.50.
Here you go. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. By the way, your cafe is very cozy, and I like the atmosphere here. It's very relaxing.
Thank you. We try to make it a comfortable place for everyone. Do you come here often, or is this your first time visiting us?
This is my first time, but I think I will come more often because I like how peaceful it is here. It's perfect to enjoy coffee and read a book or talk with friends.
That's great to hear. We always welcome new customers, and we try to make them feel at home. Do you like trying different types of coffee, or do you usually stick with one favorite?
I like trying different kinds of coffee. Sometimes I like espresso when I need more energy, and sometimes I like latte when I want something smooth. But today, cappuccino sounded perfect.
That's a good choice. Cappuccino has a nice balance of espresso and frothy milk, so it's creamy and smooth. By the way, do you like your coffee strong or mild?
I like medium strength. I don't want it too strong because it can be bitter, but I don't want it too mild either because I want the coffee flavor to be noticeable.
Medium strength is a very popular choice. It has the perfect taste for many people. While you enjoy your coffee, you can also check our menu for other drinks or seasonal specials. Today, we have a pumpkin spice latte and a caramel macchiato.
Oh, those sound interesting. I might try one of them next time. I like trying seasonal drinks when they are available because it's fun to taste something new. By the way, what kind of coffee beans do you use?
We use 100% Arabica beans, which are known for their smooth flavor and aroma. We roast them fresh every week to make sure the coffee tastes great.
That sounds wonderful. I can already smell the coffee aroma and it smells amazing. I think the cappuccino will taste perfect today.
I hope you enjoy it. Here is your medium hot cappuccino with sugar and soy milk and your chocolate croissant.
Thank you so much. It looks delicious, and I really appreciate the care you put into making it. I can see the frothy milk on top of the cappuccino, and the croissant looks fresh and soft.
I'm glad you like it. We bake the croissants every morning so that they are fresh for our customers.
That's wonderful. I really enjoy fresh pastries. There's something about the smell and taste of fresh croissants that makes coffee even better.
Yes, many people agree. Enjoy your coffee and croissant. Do you plan to stay here for a while or take it with you?
I think I will sit here and enjoy it slowly. It's a nice morning, and I want to relax before starting my day. I like sitting by the window and watching people outside while enjoying coffee.
That's a perfect choice. Sitting here and enjoying coffee can be very relaxing. You can also read a book or check your phone if you want. but just relaxing is always nice.
Yes, I agree. Sometimes it's important to take a moment for yourself, especially in a busy world. I like cafes because they offer a peaceful place to enjoy small things, like coffee, pastries, and the morning sunlight.
Absolutely. We try to make everyone feel comfortable. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you, I will. I think this will be my favorite cafe now. The coffee tastes great, the croissant is fresh, and the atmosphere is very cozy.
That's wonderful to hear. We're happy to have you here. Enjoy your coffee and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I will come back soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We look forward to seeing you again soon.